Next, we have Anthony T. Harrison, a member of the County Council, District 10.
Well, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
As our fabulous Elaine Goldston has said, I am Anthony Hairston, and I am currently the County Council person representing the 10th District in Cuyahoga County. Thank you again for allowing me to come before you this morning and share a few words with you. I've served in the seat since February when I was appointed. I replaced former County Councilman Julian Rogers. He served in the seat the last 4 years. He was the first person to represent the 10th District with the inauguration of the new county government structure. District 10 covers Village of Ragdoll, Cleveland Wards 8 and 10, both represented by Cleveland Councilman Jeff Johnson and Mike Lindsay, the great city of East Cleveland, the great city of Cleveland Heights, and our new addition to District 10, the city of University Heights. And we're coming into a new time in Cuyahoga County. There's so many things going on. The new hotel is going up. The increased participation within our communities. You know, before when 3 Commission were there was really not a lot of community participation. There was HHS focus then. But the county has really stepped up and shown that we can do more than HHS. We can come in, we can really help with some issues that are really affecting our community. And we've shown them with our county executive, Beth Fitzgerald, and the county council's collaboration to deal with the heroin epidemic. Our increased help with these municipalities to fix their crumbling roads, their infrastructure that we own throughout the cities and communities within Cuyahoga County. And last but not least, our $50 million demolition bond that council is currently hearing. I am one of the 7 original county council sponsors, along with our current county executive, Beth Fitzgerald. I really believe this legislation would help us reduce the crime in our communities and also make safer communities in which that we live. 3 priorities for me going into council: education, because it is the great equalizer. Many of you in this room are everyone in this room are very educated. And you know that education is one of the keys to success. And we know that that is a focus that we must put at the forefront when traveling upon this journey. Public safety for me, within District 10, some of the areas are a little bit rough. So I believe that as our county is effort that we can partner with the county safety forces like we have done this many times in the city of East Cleveland, and we can use in and around District 10 to help make our communities more safe. And it's my hope as we continue to move forward with our new form of government that we can have an even heavier hand in developing our communities, or at least providing the support to municipalities who may know their community the best. And I was just given the time to stop. Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You answered one of the questions before we
All
even
right.
asked you. All right, Anthony, does anything need to be changed about Cuyahoga County's contracting or procurement policy to prevent unethical practices of our elected officials?
Well, since the former government, we have changed a lot of things. We have the border control. We have the who hears contract limits under a certain amount. So I mean, that was the first step of the government to help us rid or at least deter the wrongdoing when awarding contracts or projects within the county. The other piece is that the council itself, over a certain amount, has to review the contracts that come before them. So I believe now if we go from the 3-person panel to 11-person council, I think it really lessens the ability for folks to be awarded projects that they truly may not deserve or truly do not have the capacity to fulfill. We also have the diversity study that we're working on now. I was happy to come on board with Councilman Bernard Jones and the administration to help see that you know, that many people say, well, black folks don't get contracts with the county. We don't get this, we don't get that. Well, listen, you know what? Some would say that a disparity study or a study itself is used to stall, and some say the disparity study can be used to really help. And I truly believe the study that the county is doing, it will truly be used to help and not stall our process that we're trying to do.
Thank you. With the Affordable Care Act now implemented, how do you see it affecting Cuyahoga County residents? And would you propose any specific changes to it?
I don't believe I can actually propose any changes to the Affordable Care Act. I think that will have to come from the national. I'm not sure about that, but I do believe, and it already has done. I personally know people in my own family who has benefited from the Affordable Care Act, who had not had insurance prior to. And because of that, were able to afford insurance. For my uncle who works at McDonald's, he is able to now afford insurance because of the Affordable Care Act. He could not do so then. He could not go to the doctor when he broke his leg. He had to take whatever treatment they gave him. He had to go home. But now he has had issues since then. He has been able to receive excellent health care because of the Affordable Care Act. So I do support it. And I think it has helped our community tremendously.
Thank you.
Thank you. I just want to say thank you. I know many of you in this room. I have been on the opposite side of this, and now I serve on this side. And it's truly an experience for me. So when I have to come speak for myself, I get nervous, get butterflies, and start sweating. So I would like to say again, thank you so much. And I'm also endorsed by our current Congresswoman Marsha Fudge, Cleveland Heights Mayor Dennis Wilcox, East Cleveland Mayor Gary Norton, former Cleveland Heights Mayor Edward Kelly, our great County Executive Ed Fitzgerald, East Cleveland Council President Barbara Thomas, Cleveland Council people Jeff Johnson, Mike Lindsay, Kevin Conwell, East Cleveland Council Baker and Martin, Cleveland Heights Council members Janine Boyd, Jeff Cornell, Jason Stein, and the Cleveland Building Trades Council, Cleveland Fire Union just endorsed me 2 nights ago, and I'm also supported by the American Federation of Labor here in Cuyahoga County. Thank you.